Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing multiplication on the Abacus. This is third series of multiplication, and in this series we are doing some more advanced exercises with some more advanced techniques. Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to multiply 3 digits by 3 digits. So let's go. First question is 972 multiply by 596. We have 6 digits, so I know you know all the rules of multiplication, basic rules of multiplications, and you learned all basic techniques of multiplication. Without that you can't do this. So please, if you are totally new, don't watch this episode, otherwise you will feel bored. Understand? To do multiplication on the abacus, you need to be mastered on addition and subtraction, and you have to first learn basic techniques of multiplication, some basic rules of multiplication, and first series and second series, and come to this third series. Okay, so this is a little bit vast. Okay, so let's go. We have 6 digits. This is my mark chart. I'm starting from the edge of this abacus because my abacus is very short and I don't have sufficient rods here, so that is why I'm using from this edge rod. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm starting from here, and point your left hand's pointer finger to this rod, and this is our 10th rod, and after every answer we are going to change that. Okay, so let's start. 9 5s are 40 and 5, change this rod. 9 9s are 81, 8 and 1, so we have only 4 here. We have to borrow from this rod, so downside 4 also moved here, so we have to borrow this 500. So I am going to apply 4-step addition here. So add 3, remove 5, add 500, and remove this 400. Okay, so I added 80 here, and 1 goes to this rod, and change 1. 9 6 are 54, so 5 and 4. Okay, we finish this one. Next are 5 digits, so 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Okay, and first time we started from this rod, and second time we starting from one rod downside. How you are going to remember this rule, that depends on you. Count every time is also okay. So second time for 7, 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, starting from here. 5 7s are 35, 3 and 5, so we have only one rod here. For 3 we have to borrow this 5, so I'm going to borrow this 5 and reduce this 2. I added 3 here and 5 for here. 5 also moved here, so we have to borrow from this rod, so remove this one and borrow this one. So we added again 5 here. This is also how to borrow 10 for the addition techniques. Okay, and change, and 7 9s are 63, so 6 here, 3 here. For 6 you have to add this 5 and 1, 6, and for 3 you have to borrow this 5 and reduce this 2. Okay, next is 7 6 are 42, 4 and 2. To add 4 here we have to borrow this one because we don't have sufficient bead here. To add 4, I'm going to reduce this 6 first and going to borrow this one, 40 and 2 here. Okay, and we finish this 7 also. Next is 2, 1 2 3 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, starting from this rod. 2 5s are 10, so 1 and 0. 0 means you don't need to do anything. Change your pointed rod. 2 9s are 18, so 1 here and 8 here, but we have only 7 bits here, so we have to borrow this one. To add 8 here, I'm going to reduce this 2 and borrow this one. Okay, and change, and 2 6 are 12, 1 and 2. Okay, this is a little bit stick here, it's a little bit hard here, so please don't mind about that. And change, so look, we finish all the digits, and we automatically came this ones place rod, means finished And now we have answer on the abacus. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So on the 100,000 position we have 5, 10,000 position 5 and 2, 7, 1,000 position 9, 5 and 4, 9, 100 position 3, tens position 1 and ones position 2. 5, 7, 9, 3, 1, 2 is your answer. Let's move to another question. 649 multiply by 637. We have 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So starting from these 6 are 36. Change your pointer finger. 6 3s are 1, 8, 18. Change. 6 7s are 42. To add 4 here, I am going to reduce this 6 and add this 1 and 2 here. Okay, change, and we finish this 6. For 4, we are going to start from this rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits. Okay, 4 6 are 24. So we have only 1 here. To add 2 here, I am going to reduce this 8 and borrow this 1. And for 4, I am going to borrow this 5 and reduce this 1. Okay, change. 4 3s are 1, 2, 12. Change. 4 7s are 28. 2 and 8. To add 2 here, I am going to borrow this 5 and reduce this and add 8 this rod. Okay, and change. So we finish this 4. Next is 9. So 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 starting from this rod. 9 6 are 54. So to add 5 here, I am going to reduce this 5 and borrow this 1. And for 4, reduce this 6 and borrow this 1. Okay, change your rod. 9 3s are 27. 2 and 7. 2 here. And for 7, we have only 1 bit. Reduce this 3 and add this 1. We added 7 here. Change your position. 9 7s are 63. 63. For 6, I am going to apply here 3-step addition. Add 1, reduce this 5 and borrow this 1. I added 6 here and 3 here. Okay, change. So we came this marked rod, means we finished our question, and our answer is 100,000 4, 10,000 1, 1,000 3, 100 4, tens 1 and ones 3. 413 413 is our answer. Let's move to another question. 5 6 4 multiply by 3 5 8. 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Place your finger here. 5 3s are 1 5 15. Change. 5 5s are 2 5 25. 5 8s are 4 and 0 40. Change. So we finished 5. Next is 5 digits starting from this rod. 6 3s are 1 and 8. So for 8 we don't have beads here. So I'm going to reduce this one and borrow this one. I added 8 here. Change. 6 5s are 33 and 0. So we have only 2 here. To add 3 I'm going to borrow from here. But look, all beads are moved here, so I'm going to borrow from here. To add 3 here, I'm going to reduce first 7 and reduce all these one and going to borrow this one. So I added 3 and 0. Okay, change. 6 8s are 48. 4 and 8. Okay, and change. We finish 6 here. And next is For 4, we have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits starting from this one. 4 threes are 1 and 2, 12. For 2, I'm going to borrow this one and reduce this one. Change. 4 fives are 20. 2 and 0, 20. Change. 4 eights are 32. 3 and 2. For 3, I'm going to reduce 7 and borrow this one and 2 here. Okay. Okay, and change. We came this marked rod, and we came to this marked rod means it's finished. Our answer is 100,000 rod to 10,000 rod. Nothing means it's 0. 1,000 rod 1, 100 rod 9, 10th rod 1, and 1's rod 2. 201 912 is our answer. One more last question I'm going to do here. So 750 multiply by 482. Okay, so 6 digits starting from this rod. 7 fours are 28. Change. 7 eights are 5, 6, 56. So for 5, I'm going to reduce this 5 and add this one and 6 here. Change. 7 twos are 14. 1 and 4, 14. So we finished 7. Next is 5. 5 digits starting from here. 5 fours are 2, 0, 20. For 2, I'm going to borrow this one and reduce this one. 2 and 0. Okay. Change. 5 eights are 40, 4, 0. For 4, I'm reducing this 6 and borrow this 1, 4 and 0. Okay, change. 5 twos are 10, 1 and 0. So for 1, I'm going to borrow this 5 and reduce this 4. Okay, change. So we finish this 5. Next is 0. So 0 means you don't need to do anything. So left it, and we have our answer. 100,000 3, 10,000 6, 1,001, 105, tens 0, ones 0, and this is our answer 361,500. So on the screen you have some more questions. Try to do, and if you have any trouble, any question, any comment, please comment to me. Maybe you cannot comment on this video. Please, you can go somewhere else and you can comment to me, or you can directly email to me, or you can follow me on the Facebook also. You can connect to me there easily. Keep learning. And here I have to say one thing: do not comment on my English language. I am not a good English speaker, so I respect all the countries and all countries' languages, all country cultures. So episodes are in 3 or 4 different languages: English, Nepali, Hindi, and some episodes are in Japanese also. So please check your language, and you have to check the playlist to find your suitable language and suitable video. Okay, so keep learning. See you in the next video. Tata.